Today we're going to talk about the Forney helmets. We have three different versions. We have an Easy Weld, a Forney, and a Forney Pro. To start with, an easy way to test these helmets to make sure that they're working is just holding them up to the sun or to a bright light and looking through to make sure that those lenses switch over. If you don't see the lenses switch over, then you can do a couple things. One, an easy recharge. All you have to do is make sure you set these in the sun for a couple hours and make sure they recharge up. Easy tip is when you get done welding, set them in a corner of your garage that gets a lot of sunlight. Once you have tried to charge them and they don't anymore, you can go to switching the batteries. You replace them by taking your lens out by unscrewing, pulling these lenses out, and then this cover up here just slides open and there's a battery in there. It's easy to replace. These are CR2450s. They're easy to find everywhere, and then once you replace it, you slide this cover right back on, close it up, and put it right back in your helmet. To replace the lenses, if you've gotten spatter on them or they've gotten dirty, you're just gonna grab it from the bottom here and kind of pull it out from either side nice and easy. You have a replacement lens with you. You're gonna feed that into one side, bow it just a little bit, feed it into the other side, and your lens is nice and replaced. To replace the outside lens, pretty much the same thing. You're just gonna bow it into the one side, go into your corners, pop it in, and then your lens is nice and replaced. To put your inside lens back in, you're gonna flip up this little hinge, set this in, make sure that your sensors are facing out. Put it in, drop it down, screw it back together. And now your lens is set up, ready to go, and you have new batteries, new lenses, and it's a brand new hood essentially.